Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How do you join Discord servers on mobile?
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
Joining Discord servers on Discord mobile app for Android is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Firstly, open your Google app. Then on the search bar, go ahead and search for discord.com/login. Log in with your credentials. Then tap login. Then just wait for a moment. Once done, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on desktop site. Then tap on the discovery button. And here, you can use the search bar to find your preferred server or scroll down to choose the given service. So for instance, I choose to tap this. Then tap on the join on the top below the search engine. And just follow the prompts to successfully join the server. And we successfully joined the server. By following these steps, you can easily join Discord servers on your device.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.